Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys. So I'm very excited because I decided that I wanted to do my washi wallet for Valentine's Day theme. And I'm actually going to be doing it with a different piece of material. I'm going to be using this adhesive felt from Beebeecraft. If you guys don't know Beebeecraft, they are a website where you can purchase all kinds of scrapbook goodies, planner goodies, jewelry making goodies, all kinds of fun stuff. So I'll leave their information linked down below. But I haven't done a washi wallet with this kind of felt adhesive material. So I thought, why not do one for myself for my Valentine's Day washi wallet? I like to change out my colors or my covers for the holidays. So I thought this is a perfect one, so why not do it? And so today I'm going to do it with you guys, and I hope that you guys like it. So really quick, I'm going to show you guys the materials that I'm going to use. Aside from my tools, which is my paper trimmer, my scoreboard, I'm going to be using this super cute paper pad right here, and this one is from Michaels. It's called Better Together, and I actually got it last year. And I'm actually going to need an inside cover, so I thought, why not use one of these? And so I'm just going to kind of look through it and decide which one I want to use. They're all so pretty. And since I have a puppy, I think I'm actually going to use this one right here. I think this one's super adorable. I love the little puppies. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this back over here so that it's not in my way. And I'm also going to be using the elastic cording that I got from Beebeecraft. If you guys remember, this is the 2mm 5 yards elastic cording, and this one is the pearl pink. I love how much cording is in here, so I'm going to be using this one. I also have the blue one, but I don't need the blue one today. And I have the tassels and the flower charms, if you guys remember those. I also have a little felty that I created myself, and I have the rest of my tools and of course my washi wallet inserts. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be the first time that I work with thicker elastic, so I'm going to have to remember that once I'm doing my measurements. And I'm actually going to use a pen, and when I cut, I always cut at the 1-inch mark and the 7-inch mark, and then I cut right here in between the 4, the 2 lines in between the 4. And then the 2 lines in between the 4, and I think, oh my god, I don't even know which one it is. So it's the 4, I think it's these 2 right here. Yeah. Alright, so there you have it, and if you guys want to see it a little bit closer, here's the 1-inch mark, here's the 2 lines in between the 4, and then here's the 7-inch mark right here. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut. So then what you have to do is bend it a little bit. And this adhesive felt is from Beebeecraft. It comes in a large pack, and it comes in multiple colors, which is amazing. So I'm just going to take my scissors and just kind of cut it just like that, because it's a little thick. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the 1-inch. We're going to go ahead and cut that off. So I did cut a little bit more if I went back and forth. I'm so excited to see what this is going to look like. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and score my lines, and then I'm going to do my second cut. That way, I have my score lines in place already. So I always like to flip it this way. And then I'm going to go ahead and score. Yeah, that was the wrong line. So I think I'm gonna have to go up that way. It's really... You just have to be a little bit patient with it because sometimes the scoring tool will move to the side. So just fold that and then do the second fold, and then we're gonna cut again. So now my washi wallet size is going to be at the 4-inch mark. I'm gonna bring this closer to me. Right there. And then right there. And then we're gonna go have to cut again, because at least our scoring line is already there. So. Alright. So I gotta make sure I know which one it is. There we go. Oh, they're both 4 inches. Well, technically this one's a little smaller. But here we are. So that's the base of our washi wallet. And now we're gonna go ahead and make the inside in the same form. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this at the 4-inch mark. That way I can preserve some paper. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut. Now we can put this to the side. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the lines. Now the only difference is that with the line, instead of doing the same exact mark, I'm gonna go one line over. But the two have to be at the 1-inch and the 7-inch so that it's the same width. Alright, so I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and cut the 7-inch. And then the 1-inch mark, we're going to go ahead and cut that off. And then we're going to cut this one. Alright, so this one doesn't seem to be measuring quite correct. I'm going to hope it is. And in this case, I don't know if I'm going to keep the middle, so I'll leave it like that. Now let's see if it's going to work. Now, for some reason, it's a little bit taller. I wonder if it's this one. Oh, yeah, it's this one. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and assemble everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this adhesive off up to there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this. I always start at the bottom. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. There. Right? So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. There we go. Perfect. I could add another piece and just adhere it together. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. And I'm going to cut about that much, and hopefully I can do it straight enough. Alright, so that'll do. I'm going to go ahead and take out the adhesive and then just adhere it down. There we go. Perfect. So there we have that. And now I'm going to go ahead and round my corners. I'm just going to round them lightly with my scissors. This might be a little hard. Now this one's mine, so this one definitely doesn't have to be perfect, but of course, if I was making it for somebody else, I would make it as perfect as possible. There we go. Alright, perfect. Okay, so now that that's done, now we need to add our adhesive, our elastic cording. So what I'm going to do is, this one's just an experiment for me, as you guys can tell. The elastic cording is pretty thick. Alright, so it took it a little bit to poke the holes, but I put 2 holes at the top, 2 holes at the bottom, and 1 in the middle. And it took me a little bit. I just had to kind of keep poking through to get the elastic in, because this elastic is pretty thick. But I do like that it's thick because I feel like it's definitely a lot more sturdy. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this one through, just like that. And then I'm going to cut a little bit right here, so that I can go ahead and close it, just like that. And because this is felt, it's a little bit more flexible. You don't want to squeeze it too tight, because otherwise it's gonna like squeeze in. So just kind of keep it like that. You can go ahead and tie 2 knots. I like to do 2 knots always to keep it more secure. Go ahead and cut. I think these are the wrong scissors. That's why I'm having a little bit of a hard time. And then I'm going to go ahead and just with my lighter, I'm just going to close the edges just like that. There we go. So it's a little loose, but it works. So now we're going to go ahead and add this elastic right here. And what I normally do is I just kind of close it in just like that. There we go. One. So I'm going to take the charm, the flower charm. I'm going to use the pink one. And I'm going to go ahead and put it through. Oh, this one's small. Alright, that's not going to work. I'll add the tassel then. There we go. Is it in the right way? It's in the wrong way. It has to go in this way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Just got to squeeze it in there. Let it come out. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and cut a little bit. And then we're going to do the same thing. This one's a little tougher. And there we have it. Alright, so instead of doing the charm, because this elastic's a little thicker, I'm going to go ahead and do a tassel. And this tassel sets are from Beebeecraft as well. So I think the tassel is going to be really cute. Hopefully I can fit it through. Yeah, so I'm going to have to open it up. Alright, there we go. So it's on there. I just have to like fix it a little bit. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and add my insert. Just like that. There we go. Perfect. There we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead, I want to add this one on here. I'm going to take some paper, some regular cardstock. Put it in there just like that. I'm going to add some adhesive. Put it on there. Look at that, so cute. I love it. It does need a little more work, but it works. And that's what I like about it, is that I was able to make it work. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then once you fill it in, so I guess you technically don't have to round the corners, because then it gets a little shorter. So I would leave the corners squared as is, or you can make it a little longer and then cut the corners. That'll make it look really nice. But again, I used the tassels from Beebeecraft, the elastic from Beebeecraft, and then I can always do a paper one, use a thinner elastic and use the charms. I can put the charm on the elastic here, or I can put the charm up here. Of course, you would have to add the charm first and then the elastic. That would be a lot better, but overall I love it. I think it's so cute. It came out adorable and it works. So that's what it looks like once you flip it open. And of course this is thicker. This is always going to be like that no matter what. And here you have the other set of puppies. And I think it's just really, really adorable and I love it. It's fun and so cute. It's so cute, so cute, so cute. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That's my tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Check me out on Instagram. I post all of my creations on there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!